Hi everyone, this is Amans here and welcome to AMBPi. In this video, I will explain you the solution of this question, but before this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Now, in this question, it is given that ABCD is a rectangle and OA is equal to OC. Then we need to find the angle APD, that is APD. Okay. So here is the solution. ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. Now it is given that this angle, this line bisect this angle, that is equal to alpha, and this is also alpha, and this is 90 degree. Okay. And in this rectangle, this will be the 90 degree, and this is alpha, so this will be what? That is this is also 90 degree. Okay. This is alpha, so this will be 90 minus alpha. Okay. If this is 90 minus alpha, then this will be alpha. Okay. Now in this figure we get that this PAC in this mention here, that is in the triangle PAC, PO is the perpendicular, and it is also given that OA is equal to OC. It means OA is equal to OC. It means this perpendicular bisect this base. Okay. And it is possible only when the triangle is isosceles. Okay, isosceles or equilateral triangle, but in this case isosceles. Okay, if a perpendicular drawn from a vertex bisect this base, then this will be the isosceles triangle. This two will be equal. So in this triangle PAC, okay, this in triangle PAC will be, and that is the OP is perpendicular to, that is AC, and OA is equal to OC. It is given, so we get that PAC is an isosceles and the base is that is AC. So we get that is PA is equal to PC. Okay. So if PA is equal to PC, so then this base angle alpha, then this will be also base angle alpha. Okay. Since this is the 90 degree and this is alpha, so this will be 90 minus alpha. Okay, I hope this will be clear. 90 minus alpha. Now, since this is alpha and this is 90 degrees, so this will be the 90 minus alpha. This will be the also 90 minus alpha. Okay, and since this is 90 degrees, so this will be remaining is alpha. Okay. Now we need to find the value of APD. So APD is what? That is 90 minus alpha plus alpha. Okay, alpha cancel. So APD is what? That is 90 degree. Okay. I hope you understand this solution. Please subscribe my channel and like this video also.